Hello, welcome again to Lucky Bamboo, my channel. And today we're going to do a really uh, special meat. It's a ground 100% grass-fed ground elk meat. Gonna make a hamburger out of that. Let's begin. Yeah, we got about 14 ounces of this has been frozen, so how did he thaw it out? It's gonna be a little water here. Pour it out. A little bit of blood coming out. Okay. First thing we need to do is just seasoning a little bit. I got here just for flavor, granulated chicken flavor soup base, chicken bouillon basically. Just a bit of that. Not too much. A teaspoon of that should do. Then some ground pepper. Teaspoon of that and some garlic salt. Not too much. Well, with your hand, just mix it all up. We're gonna make two hamburgers, I guess, 14 ounces. So can make about two hamburgers. Let's turn on the stove, fire. Yeah, two patties. Maybe three patties. Three would be better. Well, two. Two's good. One more to a patty. A little bit of oil. Okay. Never tried elk meat yet. So we'll see how it tastes. I'm going to put a lid down here. Flip over to the other side. Shouldn't take too long, maybe 5-6 minutes should be cooked. Well, make sure that's well cooked here, well done here. Keep pressing onto the meat a little bit. I think the meat is about, it's close to done. Let's turn off the stove here. It's about done. Let's toast the bread a little bit of butter. Just toast it like this. Alright, this one's done. Let's go for the next one. Okay. For the sausage, just put a little classic Caesar dressing. So just a classic Caesar dressing, ranch. Take the spoon and spread it out. Meat in there. All right. Top it off with lettuce. Tomato, onions. All right, now it's tasting time. It's we got two. When I cooked this, I didn't tell them what kind of meat you know, it was. So they try to guess what kind of meat it is if they like it. If they like the hamburger, see. Okay, taste it. This is Brian Linda. Let's see. Yeah, the mystery meat is cost about.
How you just gonna say what it is?
Okay, go. The mystery meat costs about $11. 14 ounces, about $11. So, see how they like it. How do you like it? How you like the mystery meat?
Tastes good.
Huh? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is the meat well cooked, well done? Yeah, I cook a long time. It should be well done.
It's medium rare.
Medium rare, still good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how do you rate the meat? Try to guess what kind of meat it is.
Well, I'd want to take first guess at that.
Linda, take a guess what kind of meat it is. Is it bison?
Is it?
Is it venison? Is it wild boar?
I guess wild boar.
Wild boar. How about you, Brian?
I think of all the things that are legal.
Oh, I forgot to. Is it elk? Is it deer meat? What is it?
I think alligator is legal, right? Is this alligator?
Alligator meat?
What is it?
My second guess is that it's elk.
It's elk. Oh, you got it right, Brian. What the heck? What's going on to you? You must be a meat connoisseur or something. You got it right. So how do you do? How do you rate this hamburger?
It's in an elk burger.
It's an elk burger.
Um,
Well, it's a farm raised elk, 100% grass fed. So it's.
no?
So how do you 1 to 10? 1 is well, 1 to 10. 10 means the you like the most. You know, the highest rating you can give me. 1 to 10.
Mm. 8.
Brian?
I give it a 7.5.
A 7.5.
Yes, sir.
You can't go 8? What the heck? 7.5. Well, how much would you pay for it? That was 14 ounces cost about $11. So split in half. So each about $5.50 plus the bun.
I'd probably pay like $6.
$6.
What? That's an
Just the
expensive
meat is
burger.
$5.50.
Well, I mean, like, I don't know. Like, I guess, like, 6 would be a decent number. This is like the size of, like, a Cops burger. You could get one of those for, like, 5. I'd say 6.
6. Linda?
Like a 7.
7. Overall, would you say you if I make it again, would you eat it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you for tasting the food, and thank you for watching. And this is cook and taste, basically. Elk hamburger, ground elk meat hamburger. So thank you. Yeah.
Next time on Sesame Street.
Yep. You like what you see? Please subscribe to this channel, Lucky Bamboo. Please help the channel out. Subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the like button. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
You happy with the food, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye.